Let's talk about how to fix the Sims error code basket. Origin download failed in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step. Thousands of Simmers face this exact issue, but thankfully, there are clear, effective solutions to get you back in the game. In this video, we're going to walk through every essential step to troubleshoot and conquer error code basket, ensuring your Sims download completes successfully. Get ready to banish those download woes and finally immerse yourself in the world of The Sims. This is often the magic bullet. The and formerly Origin can accumulate corrupted files in its cache, causing download failures. Clearing this cache forces the application to rebuild its data, often resolving stubborn errors like that. It's a quick, simple step that should always be your first major troubleshooting attempt before anything else. Sometimes the problem isn't the download itself, but the permissions. If the app isn't running with administrator privileges, it might be blocked from writing necessary files to your system, resulting in that frustrating error. Right-clicking the app icon and selecting Run as Administrator can bypass these restrictions. This simple change gives the application the necessary authority to complete its tasks without interruption. Your computer's security software, while vital, can sometimes be overzealous. Both your firewall and antivirus programs might be mistakenly identifying the app download as a threat, silently blocking its progress, temporarily disabling them, or adding an exception for the app can often clear the path for your Sims. The download, remember to enable them afterwards to keep your system protected. If all else fails, the fresh start can be incredibly effective. The corrupted installation of the app itself can be the root cause of persistent download errors like this. 1. Completely uninstalling the app and then performing a clean reinstallation can resolve underlying file integrity issues. While it might seem like a drastic step, it often provides a clean slate for your Sims download to finally succeed.